Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. And I'm Sir Mahdi and I'm welcoming you again in another class of our series. And here we're gonna solve another very interesting problem, of course, and it's a basic problem and not very much, of course, but you have to use tricky problems like this. Anyway, I think you all will enjoy this very much. So don't delay, let's get started. So here, what we have to do. First of all, we know our apples are less than 300. So we can write it, our apples, oh no, wait, A double P, our apple. Okay, our apple is less than 300. Less than 300. I think you all are familiar with this sign. This is very basic. And then there is told this we can divide equally among 2, 3, and 5. So that's why we understood that this is of course the LCM of 3, 2, and 5. So do you know what is the this is our first condition actually. Okay, this is our first condition, and we have to find the LCM of 2, 3, and 5. Could you please tell me what is the LCM of this? Very easy. 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 5 is 30. So our LCM is 30. So the apples, the amounts of apples, of course, should be divisible by 30. Okay, and of course that will be less than 300. So we found our two conditions. Now we know that our apples are less than 100, so less than 300, and divisible by 30. So it easily we can find what are the multiples, what are the multipliers of 300. Don't you know? Those are 300, not it is 30 actually. 30, 60, and then 90, and then 120, 150. In this way, it will go 240, 270, and then 300. Now, these are the multipliers of 30, and which are less than 300. But did you see here? This 30 is less than 300. No, this is not less than. This is equal of 300. So we won't take it. So what we will take? We will take this 270. So in very common way, we understood this 270 is that number, the amount of the apple which needs the quotient, because this is divisible by 2, also 3, also 5, but this is not divisible by 4. And if you don't know the formula of divisibility, so of course you can check the videos, and I already uploaded all of the rules of divisibility. You can check those. By the way, we this is following our condition, so we can say this is our answer. Okay, so our answer is 270. So this was just a very easy problem, and I think you all enjoyed this very much, and I think I will upload also more tricky problem than this, and also very interesting problems like these, where you have to think very critically, very interesting way. So anyway, that's all for today. Of course, share this video with your friends and with your other relatives, and also hit a like and then subscribe our channel or follow our page. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.